VST and Company, commonly abbreviated as VST and Co., or simply VST, was a Filipino disco band formed in Manila, Philippines by Tito Sotto, Vic Sotto, and Spanky Rigor. The band was one of the most successful Filipino bands of the late 1970s and is widely recognized as an early proponent of original Filipino music OPM. Gaining mainstream success with its debut hit disco B-side single A White Mo at Isa Sayoko in 1978, which played a pivotal role in the rise of disco culture in the Philippines and initiated VST mania, a period of widespread acclaim in the late 1970s that swiftly established the band as national icons. The primary studio members included Lori Illustre keyboards, June Regalado drums, Roger Herrera Jr. bass, Celso Larina guitars, Vic Sotto vocals, and Spanky Rigor vocals, while the performing lineup featured Roger Rigor, Male Rigor, Monet Gaskell, Val Sotto, and June Medina. The band released 5 albums featuring notable hits such as Rock Baby Rock, Swing It Baby, Disco Fever, Magsayawan, Kiss Kiss, Magnifica, and Step No, Step Yes. The band also starred in 3 feature films: Disco Fever 1978, Swing It, Baby 1979, and Rock Baby, Rock 1979, which highlighted their significance and influence within contemporary Philippine pop music. Alongside groups such as Boyfriends, Hot Dog, and Cinderella, VST and Company were instrumental in pioneering the Manila sound genre. In a 2019 ABS-CBN YouTube interview for ASAP featuring Manila sound music, Monet Gaskell said that 1970s Philippine radio stations were required to play at least one Filipino song per hour, helping original Filipino music OPM surpass foreign LP sales and gain wider popularity. Fellow member Male Rigor recalled that Tito Sotto, then with Rigor Music, recognized the potential for a new local group after hearing a waitress hum a song by the Boyfriends, who were signed under Octorts. This prompted him to consider forming a rival band. The concept materialized with the formation of VST and Company. According to arranger Lori Illustre, Tito Sotto, then and our manager at Rigor Music Corporation, requested an urgent recording to compete with a rival release. Illustre worked with Vic Sotto and Joey De Leon on A White Mo at Isa Sayoko 1978, with De Leon writing the lyrics and Sotto composing the melody. He rearranged the track with session musicians June Regalado drums, Roger Herrera Jr. bass, and Celso Larina guitars, completing the orchestration in Davao before finalizing the horn, string sections, and production in Manila. The single was initially released with Ikaw and Aking Mahal as the aside, but radio stations favored the B-side, A White and Mo at Isa Sayako, which became a major hit and propelled VST and company to prominence in the late 1970s OPM and Manila sound scene. Tito Sotto noted that despite its success, television promotion remained necessary. He and his brother Vic were hesitant to take on major on-screen roles, as Joey De Leon was already established as part of TVJ. To address this, a television lineup was formed featuring Vic Sotto, Spanky Rigor, and Celso Larina, with additional members recruited to lip-sync during appearances. Rigor selected his brothers Roger and Mael, while Val Sotto, Manat Gaskell, and June Medina completed the group. These members performed on television, while the original studio musicians handled live performances. Upon the release of their debut album VST in 1978, the record quickly achieved gold certification. The album helped spark the rise of Philippine disco culture, leading to a period known as VST mania, during which the group rapidly gained nationwide popularity. Their first major concert at Cebu Coliseum in Cebu City was themed Galactica, meant to celebrate the box office popularity of the sci-fi epic Star Wars and New Hope. The band's primary members wore Darth Vader masks and matching black capes. The aftermath of the highly successful concert reflected band's immediate impact on Philippine pop culture. In an interview with Chinky Tan on his YouTube channel in August 2024, Tito Sotto recalled having difficulty choosing a name for the group after recording A White and Mo at Isa Sayako and Ikaw and Aking Mahal. Inspired by an FSB, whose name was based on initials, he used VST from his own name, Vicente Sotto III, during his time with Rigor Music. To avoid implying sole ownership, he added the initials of Vic Sotto and Spanky Rigor, collaborators on the recordings. He explained that in VST and company referred to the rhythm section involved in the original studio sessions. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.